project designer owners brands like Gucci or Superman, Spring, Sim, Skyless, expensive, stylish, expensive, shopping, clothing, fast fashion, when like them and Zara and H&M also sell trendy clothes, but for much less. A designer shirt for example might cost nearly 1,300. A similar shirt made of cheaper material may sell for $30 at a store like H&M.
We are buying more shopping for stylish clothes is cheaper is easier to talk a person on their than about something on social media and by online right away.
好，来那个下一个成语吧。Forgive，往下念 forgive。
Reason
because
fashion change people number create people no cry almost many many close 10 years ago
especially
danger about
items 好了 items 来 role play 快
And then we need to do something about the TV.
Yeah, it's not working well. But never got
new
new one.
I have an idea. My brother is getting a new TV next month. Maybe we can have his old one.
There's not bad idea.
bad idea
Bad idea.
But I
think we need one
right now.
right now.
Yeah, you are right. I try we go night TV until in a week. I don't want to keep it.
It was really cheap.
It's very cheap. I'm not sure about that. I say it was about $1,000. It's too bad. It's too expensive. How about we? Number one. Ngoài này, rồi bằng này down on the
Website.
website để tấn cụ thể.
Deals.
Okay. I know what I need, but I want to go to a store. I want to see and test the TV first.
Okay, let's go to the meeting and put a TV. Wait a minute. Then one is online.
Good idea.
Yeah.